everything is a mess, everything feels like a mess. So I just need to get a few things out of the way. I just need to clean, I need to change bedding, etc. I was actually gonna do a weekend vlog, but I didn't pick up the camera yesterday. So I thought, I'll just do a few more days because I do want to get used to, vlogging. So I'm gonna do that now. I need to sort out my face. Um, we were at the zoo on Saturday and I got burnt, although I did put on a sunscreen. But anyway, so I need to sort out my face. I have been looking for a vitamin C, and there goes the battery, a vitamin C serum. So I'm gonna continue looking for that, and then I will give you guys kind of an insight into my skincare routine and all those nice things. But I have to go now. So for now, this is what I'm using as a cleanser, and then twice or 3 times a week I will use this for to exfoliate. I really like this one. It seems like it is really gentle, and my face doesn't feel stripped after I use this. So these are my main cleansing products at the moment. I'm gonna use this one now just to cleanse my face, and then I'll probably use this again maybe tomorrow or Wednesday because I used it yesterday. And then I'm just gonna moisturize and like plaster some more sunscreen on my face. Okay, so I've just finished our room. It was actually quite dirty. I've done some laundry. I changed the bedding here. And I'm just sitting down now. I just took a shower and I'm just gonna relax a little bit. I slept quite late last night and I'm just so tired. And yeah, my husband basically forced me to. He was just like, just go, try and take a nap, and or just sit, put something on, just relax. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Because 2 o'clock I have another briefing with a local brand that I've been working with. That is at 2 o'clock, so I'm just gonna sit and chill. I've actually been watching a few vlogs. Right now I'm watching Elize, but I actually want to watch. I want to see what I can find on Netflix. Actually, I've been so into documentaries. Well, I go on and off. I really like watching them. You can see the first thing that comes up is the documentaries. So, I've also been watching this designing my Annie. I've been watching that. Oh, I started this one, Broken Idol. I will want to still watch this, but I've just not been in the mood for that. And then also, I've been watching this also. Really been enjoying this. So, yeah. I try and stay away from the murder stuff because, my gosh, it obviously affects my psyche after too many, so I need to take a break, you know, from it now and then. Anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna make myself an iced coffee. Thursday and I need to get my life in order today. Okay, like in order. There is washing all over, mostly clean washing, luckily, except for the girls. Their hamper is full, and please, yeah, this is the girls this morning. They did my hair. And I get very offended when I obviously change it, so I need to leave it like this, maybe for the rest of the day, who knows. I am gonna get up now. I haven't brushed teeth, anything. I woke up this morning watching vlogs, and I'm gonna get up now. I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna get my life in order. Okay, I'm gonna get my life in order today.